welcome back to my channel. How's it going? Hope everybody is well. Today's video is my Degustabox. I am always so excited to open this because it's just full of food. Although I am now like 100% doing Slimming World, like not fucking about or saying, oh, I'm gonna do it this and that. I'm doing it. So I'm hoping there's not gonna be too much deliciousness in here that isn't Slimming World appropriate. So yeah, for those of you that don't know, Degustabox is a subscription box and it is a food box, if you hadn't guessed from me saying that it needs to be Slimming World friendly. I think I pay $12.99 a month. That's including delivery. And I think you can do it where you pay a little bit less, but you have to be tied into a contract. So you might pay like, I think it's only like £2 less, and then you might say you have to have it for like 3 months, whereas we pay $12.99 and we can cancel it whenever we want. I have got a code that I will put down below. If you want to use it, go for it. You'll get your first box, I think, for $5.99, which is what I did for my first box. And then you can cancel afterwards if you want to. You don't have to keep it. But yeah, you get it for $5.99 instead of $12.99. I do get points. And I think if 2 people use my box, if 2 people use my code, I get a free box. So I will get something out of it as well. You don't have to use it. I will just link the website down below as well, so you can just bypass me and go straight to them, but you will pay $12.99. So anyway, it comes like this. You always get a text from, who delivers this? I can never remember. You get a text from DPD. I got a text yesterday saying your order will be delivered today, and then I got a text this morning saying your driver Chris will be with you between 10:35 and 11:35, and at 11:35 my doorbell went and it was Chris, like he's here every month on time. And they just send you updates so you know, like if you're not going to be in, you can like arrange for it to be somewhere else. So this is a box, comes like this, and it's wrapped up and it says open me, eat me, enjoy me. We're gonna grab this. I'll just put it up there so we don't steal things. You generally get like little leaflets, and it will give you an idea of what's in the box. So I'll look at that in a minute, and that in a minute, and then you get the January box leaflet, and this will list everything and tell you how much it is. I will add up everything, and then at the end of the video I'll write on the screen how much it is. Let's grab things. What is this? Oh, this is pretty. This is a Maytay 100% sparkling iced tea, 45 calories. Ooh, that sounds amazing. So this is, and this is cold as well because it's like a refrigerated van, and then this is all like bubble wrap to make everything. So this is like fridge cold. It says Maytay is a lightly sparkling drink that was designed with today's busy health conscious lifestyle in mind. South American yerba mate or mate tea, however you pronounce it, with coconut water, acai or acai berries. I'm gonna try it. I'm rubbish at lying, so if I don't like this, you're gonna be able to tell. It doesn't really smell of anything. Oh, that's not for me. Not for me. No, thank you. It does just taste like cold tea. And I like iced tea, but I like sweet iced tea. That just tastes like a cold cup of tea without milk in. That's not. Ben might like it. We'll try Ben. Okay, what's this? Oh God, this is another bottle. This is a Robinson's pressed pear and elderflower fruit cordial. Oh, that sounds lovely. These are £2.49. And this says new Robinson's fruit cordial is a sophisticated twist to squash. Fruit cordial is new, more concentrated way. So what do? You just, I'm pretty sure you just dilute it. Shake well, dilute one part to 6 parts. So let's give this a smell. Oh my God, that smells amazing. That smells absolutely delicious. I can't wait to try that. And then there were 2 other flavours, but I can't really see what they are. But one is slightly, what is that? One might be apple and pear, and then one is red, but I don't know what it is. So, oh, I'm excited for that. And I got a little bit of bubble wrap. That's always nice to have. Next up, I've got 2 things. These feel the same, yeah. So these are the Jordan's Frusilli Juicy Red Berry Flapjacks. And there's 2 of these are 45p each. Jordan's Juicy Berry Bars. Handfuls of cranberries, raisins, all mixed up with oats. The girls will love these, so that's really nice as a snack for them. I'll probably cut it in half and they're going to have half each, so there's 2 snacks for them. That's exciting. What are you? Oh, this is the Latin America. We've had stuff from them before, the Santa Maria American Kitchen. This is a Colombian crunchy chicken bites seasoned corn coating. That sounds amazing. A quarter of a pack is 40 calories, so that's only 2 sins, so that's quite good. So me and Ben could do half of this, and that would only be 4 sins as a coating, which is nice. This is 90p, a mild blend for light oven baked crunchy bites. We use corn instead of wheat for that extra crispiness. That is super exciting. Oh my god, I can't wait to try them. Yes, yes, yes. And I know they've got yeast in. I thought they might be gluten-free, but I don't think they are. It's yeast gluten, Josh? I'm rubbish. My brother's a celiac, he knows. But yeah, I'm super excited to try those. And I wouldn't ever buy that in the shops because just looking at that on the thing, I'd be like, oh my god, that's going to be like 10 cents. But for a portion, it's not. So yeah, I wouldn't ever buy that. What are you? This is what this thing is, and it is a organic edamame and mung bean fettuccine, gluten-free. You get quite a lot of gluten-free stuff in these boxes, which is quite good for me because I keep them for Millie, who's my brother, whose name is actually Josh, not Millie. Ignore me, I just call him Millie. Anyway, this is £3. Gluten-free food is so freaking expensive, but this looks quite interesting. Look. And it says explore cuisines, edamame and mung bean fettuccine. It's great in texture and taste, high amount of plant-based protein and fibre, 22 grams of protein per 50 gram serving, which is 3 times more than pasta, so that's really good. I might get him and Amy to come round because this serves 3 to 4, so I might do us like a big carbonara with that, which is lovely. And again, I would never buy that. I don't need to buy gluten-free stuff because none of us thankfully are celiacs, but as I said, Josh is. So what are you? Ooh, spicy ramen noodle kit. This is Miso Tasty Ramen Noodle Kit. This is Miso Ramen Tasty Noodles are perfect for tasty and easy meal times. Noodles are accompanied by a signature miso soup base, seaweed garnish, and spicy flavour provides a warming, healthy base for a quick noodle meal. Simply add your own toppings. And these are £1.99. So you get 2 lots of non-fried noodle nests, 2 red miso paste, and 2 lots of spice and seaweed garnish. How many calories is that per serving? 284 calories. I'd have to go on the 7 World website to see what this is because the general rule is 1 sin per 20 calories. So that would end up being like 10, 20, no, 5, 10, nearly 15 sins for a serving, which is just ridiculous because normal noodles are free. So I would have to double check that for Slimming World. But that is really awesome. And how do you cook it? Just in a pan. Excuse me. I thought Ben might be able to take it to work, but you can't take it to work because you need a hot. What's next? What are you? Oh, what are you? What are you? This is a vanilla chocolate chip protein booster. Oh mate, I'm excited for this. This is £1.59. I'm always looking for stuff like this because I've just started doing the 30-day shred and I like to have like a protein snack afterwards, and I've been having like a banana and peanut butter and yogurt and stuff, but that is super exciting. This is a scrumptious bar with a boost of protein, pulsing vanilla chocolate chip protein booster with a cookie dough taste and texture, dairy-free chocolate chips, and 13 grams of plant-based healthy protein. These are £1.59. Not in a million years would I buy one of these for £1.59. Because that's crazy, but I'm definitely going to give this a go. It's dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free and vegan, and it's got 230 calories in it, so it's got quite a lot of calories in it. But if I've saved my sins, I'll give it a little try in the corner and see if it's nice. It might end up being worth nearly my whole day's worth of sins, because it is such a good protein thing. Oh, I can't wait to try that tonight. I'll let you guys know in the description box. What are you? This is Albacore wild tuna steaks. Oh, Ben loves these. These are Wild Planet, and this is £3.49. I know tuna has to be expensive to make it like when it's line caught or pole caught or whatever. There's this pole and line caught, 100% tuna, nothing else. I know they have to be, but £3.49. Ranked #1 in the US by Greenpeace for sustainability, these Albacore wild tuna steaks, no added salt, are 100% pole and line caught, cooked once to retain their natural juices. Please don't drain, mix it in. Ben loves tuna, so he will definitely be happy that we've got this. What's next? Oh, we've got some Clipper tea. I love Clipper tea. This is a gift sample. Beautifully rich, full-body black tea blend from the world's finest organic tea gardens. All of our organic products are grown in a way that preserves the natural balance of the environment. I don't know if this is when you put milk in or not. It just says this is a gift from Clipper, and there's a 50p off voucher. Clipper's everyday tea is like my favourite ever, so I'll definitely be using this voucher to get that off. A full size one of these for 100 tea bags is £3.69. Super excited for that. We've nearly run out of tea bags. What are you? You are a Lighter Life. Ooh, strawberry shake, 5-2 weight loss made easy. This is 201 calories. Oh, there's 2 of these apparently. Where's the other one? And this is a vanilla one. So Lighter Life is a diet that is like, or a diet regime or something, I don't really know. But it says the diet that works around you. 2 days each week you replace your meals with 4 Lighter Life fast products. My friend Kelly's actually doing the 5-2 diet at the moment, so she might want these. These delicious ready to drink shakes can be enjoyed as part of a fast plan as a quick protein hit or meal replacement, so that's cool. There's a strawberry one and a vanilla one. Yeah, they're awesome. I wouldn't buy those. What's this? Next up, we've got another Latin America. Oh my god, Ben's gonna love this. This is the Chipotle mayo topping. He absolutely loves Chipotle and he loves mayo. And the camera doesn't want to focus on it for some reason because my face is in the way. There we go. This is £1.80. Creamy, hot and smoky Chipotle mayo topping makes a great addition to any Latin American kitchen range. So this will 100% get used in this house. And then finally, we've got Hershey's cookie packs. Oh no, not finally. We've got a Hershey's cookie pack. Cookies and cream. And these are... oh, they're chocolate and cookies. So this is a 5-pack. How many calories are in these? Per 100 grams, 524 calories. So how big are these? 63 grams. So these are about 10 grams each. So these are around about 50 calories each. So that's 2.5 sins, which is awesome. I love little mini chocolate bars. I am super excited to try these. And then finally, we've got, oh, it's another, this is whey powder protein. This is the same company as the little bar, and this is a natural vanilla whey protein, contains 87% protein, is a great source of calcium and vital for bones and muscles. Vegetarian, no added sugar, low fat, made from hormone-free milk with UK grass-fed cows, and you just make it into a shake, and it is a natural vanilla flavour complete protein powder. So 95 calories per sachet. Ben might use this. I might use it, to be honest. Might try it with a different kind of milk rather than normal milk, just because it has so many calories in it. But yeah, I'm really excited to try that. So all in all, I'd say that was a really good box. I'll add it all up and put it on the screen. But if you like these kind of unboxing videos, please do give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye guys.